Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to post video links, YouTube video links on Reddit, right? For example, this is a song which I want to post it over Reddit. How I can do it? I will just go to the share option, then I will just copy, right? Once I copy it, then I will just go to my Reddit and I will click on plus icon, right? I can just write whatever the title, body text and everything, and I'll just go to the link section and I will just paste the link here. Right, once I do it, I'll just again go to title, and for example, whatever without posting a title you can't post it, right? You have to give a title to any of the video. So once I do it, I will just click on the next. I will choose whichever community I want to post. I can search for that community too, and I will select that. For example, let's say I want to post it here, and once I do it, if that this community give me the access, then I can post it. Or for example, just for tutorial, I will post it here. I will click on the post on the top right, and that's it. So here it has been posted. Anybody who will see my post, they can click on open and they will be redirected to this YouTube video link, right? So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe and like this video.